Good.
Okay.
Okay. This is going to be rocket launch number 2.
Yeah.
Hopefully this one works a lot better than it did before.
Yeah, this time Josh is going to fire it.
It's gonna bask on his green land.
And here we go. In
10,
9,
8, 7, 6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Watch out.
Ah.
It came down.
It didn't come out. Shoot. Fire in the woods. No, it's wet leaves.
Smoke trail.
Crazy louder, like
Bring it over here for the camera so we can see what went on.
That parachute didn't work.
I don't know. Mine worked, and that's how it got stuck in the tree.
Okay.
Pop flew
The
off.
tip came off.
Along with the parachute.
Yeah. Oh, that was not good.
That was try number 2. I'm starting to get dizzy because of the fumes.
Yeah. I think we're going to go crazy. Hey, it didn't push back too much.
Stay in the same place.
Really? Okay. Now let's go for Okay. Watch number 3 is next.
Okay, Josh, they can email you the picture.
That's right. Check online.
That's right. Check online and they'll send us the video of the third launch.
Or put it on YouTube.
We are going to.
Okay.
Or save the third launch for the school.
Well,
Oh, what you wanted to try the